to my vlog. Ziggy. Diba yan? What you doing? I'm going to mag-vlog ako. Bro! Okay guys, magbablog na lang ako kasi 2 hours kami magbabantay ng mga bata. Stupido!
DQ asked for, bro.
I mean...
Guys, DQ. I got problem.
Yes! Uy, you rich kid. I'm going to steal.
This ain't what you asked for, bro.
We're going to... Ako yung mag-e-enjoy, hindi yung bata. Ha? Nang?
It will be $3 extra.
Okay, it's fine. You go. No, it's fine.
Any more?
Okay, we're going to... Ayoko naman English. Bala kayo sabihin nyo. Nag-isa na ako kasi wala na yung mga kasama ko. Lalaro sila. Dahil dyan, gawa tayo ng flower. Oh. Pwede naman flower shop. Ah, may ano. May ganito. Pwede maglagay ng ano. Yung ganito. Okay. Sige. Ano to? Ah, tulips. Bakit ganito yung tulips? Ay, hindi. Ito yung tulips. Ay, I don't know. Ay, roses to. Okay. Okay. Ito. I want roses. Pink roses. And, ano to? Plumera. Then, we're going to have water lily. Wow. Thanks a lot, bro. Then, we have customized, wow, thank you! Nagbigay siya ng flower sa akin.
Wait, give me some money.
I'm going to buy.
Okay.
Hindi pa ako tapos sa flower ko
Give
eh.
me some money.
I have money, but I am not yet finished. I want pink and this one, I don't know. This is pentas. It's called pentas. And, ano pa ba? Patayin neto. Yan. Then we're going to wrap it up. Wrap it up. One hand lang ako. Yes! That's my flower. So, dyan, ditch. I'm going to ditch. And ayoko lang ng pera. Going to ditch. That's fun. And ayun. Sila ay nasa ice cream section.
This is for the crepes, man. Hey, what you doing, bro? You just stole them. Hey, bro.
Oh!
Can you put it
Crepe ba yun?
Hey, what you doing,
That's
bro?
cream.
I know what this looks like.
It's for you. It's a tip.
May uniform siya.
Where's the doctor? Where's the doctor?
Walang doktor. Yung gamot niya, walang laman eh.
Where's the doctor?
Walang laman yung gamot.
No, where's the doctor, bro? What? What do you want? Are you the doctor?
Pag-vlog ng maayos. Kasi, well. Okay, I'm going to order. Wait, I'm going to get my money. Okay. Kunin natin yung pera ko. Wait lang. Ako muna. I'm going to order.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I want some
I'm going to order po. Ako muna. Hello, inunahan ako ng ano.
Baby's dead, bro.
What happened, bro? What happened, Bella?
Here.
Ang tagal naman ng cake. Ang tagal ng cake. Bagal, ang bagal. Charet. Ayun, nahirapan siya, oh. Wow, kinamay.
Thank you so much. Whoa, that's so nice. Okay.
Next na, ako naman.
What's this?
Ako naman po order. I'm going to order.
This is for you.
While waiting. waiting for my turn. Ayun.
Payment.
We have here seller Siki.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, can I order, please?
What order do you want?
I'm going to order a chocolate shortcake. I want a chocolate shortcake for only two bucks.
Okay.
I want a
Sabi mo daw si akin.
chocolate shortcake. I want it chocolate and I want it with berries.
Chocolate, okay.
Yes, and berries. I want it berries.
Chocolate.
I have chocolate. I haven't paid yet. My bill is only for $2 as it is written here.
Sold out.
Sold out already?
Yeah.
What do you have? What can you offer for me?
Cheesecake.
And
Also, I have fruit cake.
fruit cake and also custard fruit cake. I want to know. I want a custard fruit cake. If you have custard fruit cake, have a custard fruit cake. This is Cashier Joy Joy. Hi, Cashier. And this is the baker Zeki. Medyo matagal po yung service nila. I rated the 4/10. Joke lang. Wala pa naman. So, ayun. Naghihintay tayo sa
What do you want drink?
custard fruit cake, ha?
What drinks do you want?
I want... What do you offer? What do you offer?
We have Coke and we have Sprite and then we have
I want the fruit. I want the calamansi juice.
Is it
What do you mean?
Here you go, ma'am.
How much is my bill?
order something?
Wow! It's so nice. How much?
150 po.
150? It's so expensive naman. I thought it's only for $10. It's too expensive.
And about $8.
$8. Okay, I'll pay $10. Then you give me a change of $2. You don't have a change?
I have only
You papalit to to another store. I thought you don't have a chocolate cake. Meron na. Ayun, she's going to nakaw. Okay,
go at my
Manny.
house.
Okay.
Here's your $2.
$2. Thank you so much for the
Is
service.
cake Yummy.
I'm going to taste it, okay? Wait, let's do
1 to 10.
a taste test. Taste test. This is the what is it called?
Cake.
Fruit cake. Okay. This is a fruit cake, and I'm going to use my hands because it's so tiny. For $8. It's tasty. I like it. I rate it 9/10.
Okay.
And this is calamansi juice. But
It's a little bit sour.
it's a little bit sour. What is this? Water?
Yeah.
Okay, let's add water to the calamansi juice. It's sour. But it's tasty. I rate it a 7/10.
Okay.
Thank you so much for your service, and I'm going to another store to review another store. Bye. Bye.
Wait na. Prank natin si Kuya Mac. Kunyari, totoo.
Okay, where are we going? Where's Kuya Maki? Where's Kuya Maki though? I didn't let's search for Kuya Maki.
Sasabihin ko lang yung tinikman ko lang kung
Okay.
let's prank Si ate siya na lang.
Ikaw, it depends on you.
Kaya ma. Sabihin na ating baon natin.
Okay. Oh, they're doing something. Sabi niya, let's prank Kuya Maki.
Ibang Maki yan ah. Malaki yan eh.
Ibang Maki yan.
Laki yan eh.
Maki ng ano yan?
Malaking Maki yan eh.
Kaya enjoy na ako dito with my money. Hindi na ako makatayo.